Look at him.
Just sack up and jerk it.
He does. Slacker just didn't know where to do it.
Hey, y'all remember that time that y'all wanted just me to move that engine out there?
Remember that time you wouldn't do it?
Yeah, I remember.
I would control it.
Everybody was like, you helping?
Oh!
Alright. Hey man, y'all are like spilling all kinds of stuff now. Man, can y'all get that out of the floor?
That attachment. So what are we doing today?
I wash Dad's car.
You will wash my car. It's too cold. What else are we gonna try to do?
Work on Dad's car.
Yeah, you ready? All right.
I have boots on.
You do have boots on. Checking things out. Water those. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah. Oh, you're. There we go. That light had to adjust. You're one of the prettiest little boys I've ever seen. Did you stick a quarter in your mouth?
No.
You better not have. You ready?
I'm putting it outside.
Okay.
So what's up YouTube? I'm out here with my buddy Cashton and we're getting ready. Got a couple of guys coming to help and we're going to try to knock a bunch of stuff out on both of the cars today. Got a lot of parts here, got a lot of stuff to do, and it's crunch time. I think we're 6 weeks or so from TX2K, so Whitey needs to be done. I've still got to order some parts for it. It's just some little fittings. What is it? You found a screwdriver. Okay, make sure you don't scratch the cars with it, okay? He's my favorite working buddy. He is definitely a blast to work with. So anyways, got a lot to get done today. Or we've got a lot of stuff. Who knows how much of it will get done. But yeah, it's going to be another day here. You'll probably see a lot of talking head and try to get this guy done, or get the suspension out of it. Move it. Move something? Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff needs to be moved, buddy. I really need it. That's another thing that we're doing. Another thing that I'm doing today is a little bit of cleanup. It's a little rough in here. You know how winter goes and how just accumulation of crap is what I would call it. So, all right. Let's have a good day. Let's get some work done. Hi to my haters. Let's see these He-Men pull this deal up. Huh? Hi, Dad. Yeah, who am I supposed to shout out here? My dad. It's Butch, right? Yeah. Butch Arnold. What's up, Butch? My dad loves his videos. So we got to just try to. You feel good about it? Do you want me to be on there? No, forget you got to jerk at us. What? Jazz hand. Well, it's going to jerk out the moment I pull it. Okay, but you got to put it back or something. Yeah, yeah. They all need it. Oh, watch out, watch feet. No, I can't pull it out.
Well, we up here now.
Sorry, man. Do what?
You want to trade me?
Well, part of it is the front of the transmission, or the front of the engine is.
Get cold or they're all warmed up.
I can't pull it. You want to help?
that fender over there. All right, now Chris, you get out. Levi, you go that way.
Boy, it's tiny too.
I'm gonna drop it, boys. All right, y'all get out.
Are you gonna drop it? Yeah, at least it's on the mother. It can't do more.
Oh, boys. Careful, it's hitting right here now. It's going.
Can get in there and swing?
No, I don't want you to get in.
If we can turn it now.
Yeah, it needs to turn. Grab hold of the fan and pull that way. Yeah, you can keep it.
Oh, look at that.
Go good?
Yep. It's cool.
Do I need to lift it up?
Huh?
Grab the power steering over here, twist, like the actual right.
Go ahead and start pulling.
Do what?
Go ahead and start pulling. What's that, huh?
Cut it.
Bent or?
I think, oh, it's just on a little old, yeah, cut it.
What do you need to chop? What do you need to chop and come
You say don't get under it, now I'm under it.
Or go to your leg?
Well, you're cutting something.
No.
That's a long kitchen. You know that this is only a tensile strength measure of whatever is still connected. That's all the cherry picker is.
They don't make hose like it. Ready?
Oh,
Look out.
just sack up and jerk it.
He does. Slacker just didn't know where to do it.
Hey, y'all remember that time that y'all wanted just me to move that engine out there?
Remember that time you wouldn't do it?
Yeah, I'm
I would control it.
Everybody was
Are you
like,
helping?
oh!
Alright.
Hey man, y'all are like spilling all kinds of stuff now. Man, can y'all get that out of the floor? Let's put this back on the cup or something. Let's not get too much.
You think that little ass cup will hold?
It's got a hole in the bottom.
Alright. That's alright.
Man, that last time you said you're gonna help me pull it. I helped you pull it and I took a brake pad to the ankle.
Alright, can we drop it?
Can we drop it down?
Is it under both jacks?
It is over here.
I can see if I crawl under it now. Okay.
Yeah, come on.
Slow.
What time you gonna drop it? Come on, man. We got 4 inches.
Did you say meow?
Yeah.
No one's higher than the other, right?
Maybe. Kind of like it.
That was about the worst way we could have done that.
Hey, it's out though.
Look
at there.
Show me the steering wheel. Show me.
Alright, yeah, let's go check out the steering.
This is,
But like the motor and the straps, look, paid for the car all like $50.
Really?
That's the plan with this thing. This, that rear end, drive shaft, everything, seat. By the time I take it out, I'm hoping to get paid for this too. Pay $200 for the car. So, check out that deal. Jimmy, it looks good. You're what? Looks really good.
yeah, he did all the clean work. This is what it looks like whenever you do hard work and lift the front of the car up that Houston can't pull the motor up from under.
so sorry that I couldn't move that 600-700 pound dead weight thing out of the floor.
Yeah,
That was gouging into the concrete.
Me and Chris did it very easily.
All right, so we got a bunch of stuff done. Hey, look at this big old engine out. It's monster, and as you can see, it was heavy. Had to take 2 guys to get it out. Not fun, but pretty much done for the day. Got that out. Drive shaft. This is a big step. Found some stuff we're gonna have to repair when it comes to rust, so that'll be fun. Fun day. Ate some good food. Had a good time. Should be getting a lot done here soon on this. Still got to pull the rear end out and get the new one in. So thank you a bunch for watching, guys. We're going to end it here. Had a great time. Chris Cox came by. I'll show you some pictures of his car. 54 Bel Air, LS swapped, 70 something millimeter turbo. I think it's 76. I think it's a VS Racing 76 actually. Awesome ride, and he came and helped us, hung out a little bit today. He's gonna be going to TX2K with us, and very cool car. I mean, just super cool. And Levi, Jimmy, all of them, thanks big time. Thanks for them getting us help. We no more engine in here, and so we can start putting them UPR products on this thing and getting it knocked out. Go ahead and like this video, share it, subscribe, all that good stuff. Got quite a bit of done today on Mr. Rogers. Got a parts list for Whitey going, got a bunch of push lock stuff going for it. And don't worry, the video is coming of the Rock Solid Motorsports tubular front kit. It is absolutely amazing. The more that I've been looking at it today, it's just awesome. So that's it. Like this video. If you want to see something specific when it comes, or if you want to have whatever it is, give us a comment down below and I'll get to it. And you know, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, anything like that. If you want to talk about whatever we do, that's cool with me. Not hard to talk to, really. So but that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna go inside and get warmed back up a little bit, even though this little heater deal over here did an absolutely amazing job today. Actually, a couple of sketchy things today, I'm sure you saw. So lifting this deal up and pulling that engine out, and the heater started to run out of propane earlier. I flipped the tank over and shoved so much propane out of it that it discolored it and was like, you know, had all 3 kits going. So it was quite interesting. Wish I'd have got a video of that, but you know, all that stuff happens whenever you don't have a camera out. That's sometimes what happens. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace. We'll see you later.